Welcome back to my channel Study Planet. Today we will be continuing with chapter 7 fractions and today is part 2. So let's start. In the last video we ended up here on the first method, that how do we check whether fractions are equivalent or not. I hope this method is clear. If not, please comment in the comment section. Method 2. Cross multiplication. We will do this method today. Now I'll explain you. How do we do this? It's a very easy method. We just don't need to do anything. We just here's one question. So we'll first solve that. So first here, what do? We just multiply the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction. Same goes with the numerator and denominator of the first and second fraction. So of the first fraction we will multiply the numerator with the denominator of the second fraction. So see, we got 24 in both sides. As 24 is equal, so the fractions are equivalent. Now let's go to comparing fractions. This is a very easy method for like fractions. In like fractions, we just need to compare the numerators as the denominators are same. You can see in this example that here is 1 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. So 3 and 2 we'll compare. We know that 3 is bigger or greater. We'll encircle 3 upon 4 or open the alligator's mouth to 3 upon 4. Now comes comparing fractions of unlike fractions. There are two methods. We'll do the first method first, which is the LCM method. Let's see one example. Example is 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 6. In this example, how do we solve it? Let's see. So we have 2 upon 5 and we have 4 upon 6. We take out the LCM for the denominators, which is 30. Then we convert them into then we convert the denominators into 30. Once we are multiplying the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator with the same number. So as you can see, I have done here. Now what do we get in the end? 12 upon 30 and 20 upon 30. So by this we are able to recognize that 20 upon 30 is greater. So 4 upon 6 is also greater because 4 upon 6 is same as 20 upon 30. I hope it's clear. Now let's come to comparing fractions. Unlike fractions, method number 2, which is the cross multiplication method. I think cross multiplication method is already clear to you all. It's just the same. We need to cross multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction. So here I have done it. You can see I got the answer as 12 and 20. So how do we know that which one is greater now? Because we just got 12 and 20. Now you can see in this message it's written that fraction is greater whose numerator is included. We can see that in 4 into 5 we get the greater value and the numerator of 4 upon 6 fraction is included. Hence 4 upon 6 is the greater fraction. Now let's come to addition of fractions. This is also very easy. This is also very easy. We just don't need to do anything. As the denominators are same, we just need to add the numerators. We added 4 upon 9. 5 plus 4. We got 9 and the answer is 9 upon 6. The denominator remains the same. Now comes for unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, we just need to use the LCM method and then convert the fractions into with denominator as 42. While multiplying the denominator with 7, we multiply the numerator also with 7. While multiplying the denominator with 6, we also multiply the numerator with 6. And then we get the final fractions as 35 upon 42 and 24 upon 42, which is same as 59 upon 42 once we add both of the fractions. Now I hope this is clear. There is one more method. Now we'll see for fractions. There's a message that the method is same as addition. We just need to subtract, right? So as we have done here, would we do if we need to subtract? There would be a subtraction sign. LCM method would be the same. We convert into LCM, we convert into denominators at 42 in the fractions and then subtract it. The answer would be 11 upon 42. It's just simple as that. Now comes some tricky questions. These questions are a very bit tricky, not too much. So let's see how do we solve it. 1 minus 8 upon 9. Now 1 is the one whole, so it's just same as 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 minus 8 upon 9, they are like fractions, so we just subtract 9 minus 8 and we get 1 upon 9 as the answer. Now comes 3 minus 7 upon 10. Majorly children get confused with these kind of questions, so I'll just explain. It's just easy. So how do we do it? We have 3 upon 1 minus 7 upon 10. There's no denominator with 3, so we just add 1 as the denominator. LCM of 10 and 1 we take. Just do subtraction as the same method, and then we get 23 upon 10, and our answer can also be written as 2 3 upon 10. I hope the method is clear. Thank you guys for watching this video. Fractions is finished. I hope you like the video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. If any doubt, please comment in the comment section.